Bonjour et bienvenue au mot du jour.
Bonjour. Vendredi, le 3 mai 2013.
Très bien. Alors, comme Charlotte a dit, aujourd'hui nous sommes vendredi. Already Friday. C'est le week-end, ou presque. So, we're coming up to the end of this week's theme, Voyager en avion. Start thinking about next week's theme, and if you have any suggestions to make, then come on over to learnfrenchwithjennifer.com and let me know, and I'll see what I can do. So, the word for today, le mot du jour pour aujourd'hui, passer la douane. Now, do you remember that word, la douane, from previously in the week? La douane means customs. So, to go through customs, passer la douane. Quand on arrive dans un pays étranger, on doit passer la douane. When we arrive in a foreign country, we have to go through customs. All right, so I bet you can guess what we would like for you to do next. If you can come up with your own sample sentence, write it down in the comments below. See you soon, and please do subscribe to our channel to continue learning more and more words every day, and maybe some new grammar themes as well coming up next week. Merci beaucoup. Au revoir.
Bye-bye.
Bye-bye.